What's up, guys? It's Nate here. This is my ECX Torment. Broke the hub the other day, so we're gonna replace it today. Went and picked up a parts kit. Has all 4 hubs. I got this at my local hobby shop for $11. It comes with the back and the front, so I'll have spares, which is awesome. Open that up. Alright, all I need is the caster block here for the right side. Pretty sure this is it. Pretty sure. So it goes on the left. Yeah, that would go on the left. Right. Yeah, I broke this piece off yesterday right in here. So right on. This goes there and there. Bada boom, bada bang. And I need the pivot ball. Need a little pivot ball that goes on the steering link. Insert that into the end of this. Alright, I got my pivot ball put on. Had a wrencher in there. Now I am gonna I'm gonna do my bearings here. I know you're supposed to use like Moose Slick or whatever, but I'm going to use WD-40 and some marine grease. Just gotta put these bearings on here and give them a spray. Let that soak in. Bearing, flip it over, take it in, okay, my spindle. Twist it on my spindle real quick. Move those bearings back and forth. Okay. I got my hub here. Over marine grease. Take a little dab on my finger. Just gonna jam it right in the hole there. That. See some more. Jam right in the hole. That protects against dirt and stuff, this marine grease. And it doesn't wash out. It's kind of like washout resistant. So it actually protects. One bearing. Set the bearing in there. Take the other bearing. Pop to the other side. Push your rod through real quick just to pull out the rest of that meringue grease in the middle. All the way through. Just to get the excess meringue grease out of the middle there. Hubs put together. Alright, got my steering block all put together. My bearings and greased. Now we're going to attach it to the caster block. Right in the middle there like that. Get one of your screws. Center in the middle. Okay, got them in there. You just gotta tighten those in. Screws. See, pivots on the caster block, steering block. Cool. Just make sure I got this tight in there. Alright, now you take this bottom hole, it should line up with the hole inside your axle thing here. So there's a pin that goes through there with a screw that holds it in on the end. So you gotta line that liner up. Go there. Line that up. Cool. Now get something long or whatever to push the pin through to the other side. And get your screw. Tie that in. And bam. Hook up your link. Front link here. Hook up your steering link. Just clip right on there. Like that. And boom. Got steering. All fixed. That's how it looks. You hook up the steering link. And now when you turn it, it turns. So it's all good. Put your pin back in, your hex back on, your wheel back on. And that's how you do that for your ECX Torment. ECX Torment, I mean. So until next time, it's been a Kobe Family production.